Right then. Starts off with a delightful drive. How cool is that? How good a shot is that from the left-hander?
Cool as a cucumber.
Yeah, how elegant is that? Short and wide, and the balance was flawless. Oh! Vicious! My. Yeah, no need to run for that one as well. It's live cricket, guys, not highlights. It's not a highlights package. You tend to get that feeling when Fakhar is batting. Yeah, he likes that one too. It's a skyer and a six. Half it wasn't middle properly. Fakhar with his brilliant follow-through gets it over the line with utmost of ease.
Thank God he didn't middle it, otherwise this ball probably would have gone to Nipa Churangi, just about 5 miles away.
Quick hands, Fakhar.
And another one. Don't feed him there. He'll make you pay. He will make you look pretty ordinary. A 20-year-old has been taught a stern lesson here.
Short again.
Yeah, this is not great from the Windies. The ball sat up to be hit, and Babar obliged. Covers the stumps, he goes big, it is ultra big.
Not having a great time out there, is he, Odean Smith? He bowled 5 deliveries, went for 15. And look at this, he shuffled across and bam!
Oh, it's another one. 50 comes up. It's been a rollicking start.
Uppish. But he had the power on it. Fakhar, he plays one way, aggressively.
Out, big wicket, massive wicket. I don't know if it's late, but they'll take it. They need few wickets, not one, not two, they need more. But that's the start. Fakhar, 17 balls, 40, gone. 61 for 1. Beautiful shot, waited for it, played it very late.
Short and gets the treatment it deserves. That's too easy for Babar Azam. He's in really good form.
Asif showed us glimpses, and certainly Shaheen showed us glimpses today. So I've been very happy with how we've gone.
That's delicate. That really is clever piece of cricket from Babar Azam. He's in glorious touch.
Very ordinary bowling from the West Indians here.
What a grand way to bring up your 50. So what's new? Babar Azam gets another 50.
And with that classical cover drive again.
Flick and out! Almost a 6 is gone. Caught. Smith gets a wicket. I think he wasn't looking for a 6 here, Babar Azam. He wanted a flick and maybe wanted to find the gap. But he does his average proud. He averages in the 50s and he's got 51 of 40 balls. Consistent as ever. Stylish as ever. Caught Walton, bowled Smith, Pakistan 113 for the loss of 2. That's gone fine for 4. The attempted Yorker has been put away with a lot of ease. It's been given as a leg by. That's a good shot. Emrit is not able to stop the ball. It was great timing from Asif.
Oh, that's the area Asif Ali likes. He loves it. Pulls the ball, finds runs for himself, takes Pakistan closer. And again, we've seen that in the PSL. Don't ball in there.
No go there. That is not the area to bowl at Asif Ali.
Well, just as I was complimenting this young man,
He's opting for that shorter length, and he's paying for it. Third boundary in the over, and loves it. 154 for 2 is on board, and that is how Pakistan wraps it up. Clean sweep, whitewash, whatever you call it. They've won every game comprehensively.
Rolled his wrist over it, played it down and into the gap. He knew the game's over after that. Both these guys were indulged into the Pakistan team in this series, and they both have done extremely well.